The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So as you already know from the thumbnail that we are going to talk about how we can get clients out of Fiverr marketplaces today. So let's see, but before I start the tutorial, make sure that you subscribe my YouTube channel to get more videos, and you can also join our Facebook group from a premium share to get daily updates related to digital marketing and other useful giveaways. So let's start the video. In Fiverr or Upwork or in People Per Work or other marketplaces where we provide service, most of them are related to designs or digital marketing or writing or video making. So mostly this type of gigs we provide. So that's why today I will talk about these services. So as our service is related to this one, so here how we can get orders in new account while here are so many competition, and for a new account that we don't get order so easily. What we can do for now, here what we can do, we can get and able to find clients from Facebook. So wanna know how? Let's see that. Come over to your Facebook account with your legal Facebook ID, and in the search tab you have to type names for organizations. Like you can go with restaurants or clinic, flower shop, bank, bakeries, farmer, doctor, engineers, singers, dancers, plumbers, buy-sell groups, etc. So these all are the companies or business what need development to their Facebook page. So let's try to find out what I'm trying to say here right now. So let's go with restaurants. So let's try this one. Just type restaurants and hit enter, and after hit enter, here you have to come over pages. So if you are from local, you can go with local pages, and if you want clients from outside your local area, then you can just scroll down here on left side, and you can see here the option for location. So just click here at the drop down menu, and here you have to type the search or the city from which location you want your client. So suppose here I'm going to get a client from Melbourne, Australia. So just type Melbourne, Victor, Australia, and just hit enter. Now you can see here I have all the pages, all the Facebook pages of those restaurants which is situated in Melbourne, Australia. There are so many pages. So you can see here, if you notice, there are some pages with 4,000 likes or 32 or say 26,000 like pages, but here you have to find out which pages had at least 100 to 2k likes in their Facebook pages. So there are some pages with 2k or 1k likes. So these are the low like pages, and we are going to target this type of pages. I mean 1k likes or 2k likes. So these are the pages what actually want to develop their self in Facebook or in social media. So as we just open some of pages, let's see here that okay, so this is a seafood restaurant situated in this address, and if we just scroll down, there is more than 4,000 people like this page, and they have also a website. Okay, now if you notice their Facebook post, they are using some hashtags and some good caption and their recipes in each of their post. But although they are having more than 1,000 likes and followers in their page, they are not getting any good amount of engagement. And let's try to find out their website. Okay, it's a good website, catchy website, so they are genuine. Now you have, if you want, you can collect informations like create a Excel sheet here right now. Now for saving, you can just copy your Facebook page name and the phone number, so that you can use them later for remarketing. Do exactly what I am doing right now. So this will help you a lot if you are in data collecting. And here you have to type all the weak points. Suppose they are not getting engagement, so type here not getting engagement, so that you can offer them ads campaign to get more likes and comments in their every post. And look for their profile photos and cover photos and other post photos, that those are really qualityful or not. Then you can also give them social media post. So this way, and if you see that they are not verified, you can provide service them for get verified. So these are the services you can provide if you see these weak points. Now there are a lot of weak points you can if you want, you can identify. If you study the each of the pages, and you can also find out the strong points, so that if you see they have website, a good website, and they are locally faithful, then you should mention that strong points in your proposal, so that they will understand that you clearly study their business and you are the right choice to develop their business, so that they might give you the work opportunity. Now you can do the same thing with all of the pages one by one. Now what to write, let's see here right now. So whenever you come over to any Facebook page, chat box will open up where you can send a message to each of the pages. Now here you can mention your name and your profession, that you are a full-time digital marketer, or other service what you provide related to that profession. You can write here, and you can say that you are working with clients all over the world, and today you are scrolling Facebook for collecting some data, and you find out their Facebook page. First of all, you have to mention that where their business and what type of their business is, and you have to mention that they are not having enough followers or enough engagement in their Facebook post, and the post they are posting in Facebook is not enough engageful or enough qualityful. So how they can solve that problem and get more likes and get qualityful post, you can discuss with them in a chat whenever they are free for their developing their business strategy, not lose more customers. So this way you can send them a message. You can see that most of them will reply you back. Now here you can send them your Fiverr gig, and so this way you will able to get clients out of marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.